A small aircraft is taking the internet by storm after expertly touching down on only one wheel in an emergency landing. So, anyways, the Cape Air Cessna 402C, a light twin piston engine airplane, makes its way back to a Boston Logan Airport runway after a problem with the landing gear was detected Tuesday. The aircraft notably only has one wheel extended as it slowly but surely makes its way to the ground. So, in an impressive moment, the tiny plane stays upright on one wheel while gliding across the runway only to veer to one side, skidding to a complete stop. So thankfully, no one on board was injured as the plane's pilot and two passengers were all able to deplane the faulty aircraft without the issue. And prior to touching down, the aircraft was forced to circle the Boston airport for at least 1 hour, delaying other flight arrivals. Okay, so anyways, the situation is being hailed as a textbook landing, with aviation expert John Nance telling WCVB-TV the pilot touched down exactly right. This is really scary. I believe that everybody's lives in that plane was in huge danger, because in order for a plane to be landing in just one wheel, that right there is a miracle. Because usually a plane can't land in one wheel. Usually a plane could land in like 3 wheels or 4 wheels, because I mean, that's what keeps the plane standing, not one wheel. But I believe that what happened here was, like I said, it was a freaking miracle. And I believe that this pilot, by the way, was so freaking lucky into being able to even land well, by the way, in order for the plane to still stay standing when it was landing in one wheel. Because I believe that if the pilot would have not landed well, I'm pretty sure that freaking plane would have fell to the side and the people in that plane would have been hurt or killed. Because we are talking about a plane. We ain't just talking about a car nor a freaking motorcycle. Okay, and what I really think is really weird, by the way, is that that plane didn't have the other wheels. Now, I really wonder why that plane didn't have the other wheels. I really wonder why that plane wasn't really well ready to be flying all over the sky, because usually a plane should definitely be ready to be flying all over the sky. And I think that the pilot, by the way, should be the one responsible into making sure that the plane is ready to fly in the first place before flying, in order for the safety of the people and the safety of the pilot. But anywho, this is wild, and I think that this right here is a good life lesson for the pilot.